Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel Talk to Share, and today me and Sheetal are going to share with you Rajasthani special Mirchi bada. So let's hear from Sheetal how she is making it.
Hi friends, today's recipe is Mirchi vada from Rajasthan and it's with twist. These are the ingredients for Mirchi vada. This is the dry ingredients which we have: red chilli powder, hing, haldi, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seeds and mustard seeds.
And so then these are the dry ingredients we will use. Okay.
Then we have chillies. We have taken the seeds out and cleaned it properly. Coriander, oil, 2 teaspoons, green chillies according to your taste, and Aamchur powder. And this is the twist which we were talking about. This is the raw banana instead of potato, which we are using it for stuffing.
Yeah, usually mirchi vada mein we use boiled potatoes.
But I am using raw banana instead of potato.
Wow, great.
So we'll start with the recipe. We'll heat the pan, add the oil, little bit of oil, not much.
This is we are making filling, right?
Yeah, stuffing we are making. So let the oil
heat. Okay.
We'll add mustard seeds. And cumin seeds, little bit. Hing. Red chilli powder.
So all the dry ingredients you are putting one by one.
One by one.
Okay.
Haldi. Coriander powder. And garam masala. Little bit of garam masala. Then we'll add chillies, green chillies.
Okay. After dry ingredients.
Green
chillies.
And we'll saute a little bit.
Okay. Wow. This aroma is coming very good.
Then we'll add raw bananas. Boil and mash. Mix it properly once. And then we'll add Aamchur powder.
Okay. First banana and then this is filling Sheetal is making for mirchi vada. So she took oil and heated pan, put all the dry ingredients one by one, and then boiled mashed raw banana. So this is the twist we are using.
Mix it well. And now we'll add a little bit of salt according to your taste.
Okay.
And Aamchur powder.
Okay.
Which is
so
raw.
Aamchur powder we will add in the last.
Yeah. Raw mango powder.
Raw mango powder.
And then coriander.
Okay.
I love the coriander.
Yeah, it's give freshness too, and it's healthy.
Color also.
Yes, and it has nutritious value is also very high of the coriander.
So we'll mix it properly.
Okay.
And
this is the filling.
This is the filling
for the mirchi vada, and it's almost ready.
And we'll switch off the gas.
Okay. Because banana is cooked, so no need to
you just have to mix the masala with the banana. That's it.
So I think hardly 3-4 minutes.
Yeah,
that's required to make it. This is again a quick recipe. So
yeah, if everything is ready,
yes,
it just takes hardly 15 minutes to make it. We'll let this cool down.
Okay.
And then we'll stuff the chili.
Yeah. So first, for 1 or 2 minutes,
Yeah.
we'll leave it like this.
Yeah.
Okay. And you have chili. What do you want to do with the chilies?
Chilies, we have taken the seeds out and we have cleaned it properly.
Okay.
So we'll stuff the masala in it.
Okay.
And then we'll make the batter.
Okay.
This is the batter which I have already made. This is gram flour,
Okay.
salt,
Okay.
red chili,
Okay.
and little bit of hing. That's it.
Okay. So this is the batter in which we will dip this mirchi
Chilies
vada.
and we'll fry it. Yeah.
Okay.
So consistency should be like this.
Like this. Okay.
Like dosa
So,
batter.
Okay. This is common for any pakoda. The way you make it,
yeah.
it's like that.
Yes.
Okay. So this is like she has taken gram
Flour. Yeah.
gram flour and
Gram flour, chili powder,
salt,
and hing.
asafoetida.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you mix it all with the
With the water,
to make
yeah.
this consistency.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll keep the oil for heating.
Okay. So now Sheetal is filling the chilies with the
We'll stuff the chilies with the masala, which we have
mixture
made.
we have made of raw banana and all the spices. This is special Rajasthani mirchi vada. You will go in Rajasthan and you will find small vendors making these Rajasthani vadas everywhere in
Especially in winter.
in winters, yes. I think Jodhpur is more famous for this. I have been there.
So it's done with the
So
stuffing.
this stuffing mirchi ready to fry.
Yeah.
Yes. And only the difference with these mirchi vada of Sheetal's and Rajasthani are the filler which we have used, which is raw banana. And in Rajasthani vada you will find potato. So you can use either of it, potato or raw banana. So now we will dip in this gram
We'll
flour
dip the
batter.
chilies in the batter
Okay.
and cover it properly so the stuffing will not come out.
Okay. So batter should be thick, this thick, so it should cover properly, right?
Our oil is ready, so
Okay.
we'll start with the deep frying.
Okay. So
We'll
now
put
she's
one by
putting one mirchi vada.
Chilies,
Yeah, these are- Yeah. Okay, so we'll now it's frying one more, so we can
Put one more.
oil should be very hot, right?
Yeah, it should be hot.
Okay. So till golden brown we will fry it.
Our mirchi vada is ready. We'll just take it off. It has become proper golden brown.
Nice color.
We'll put a little bit of chaat masala on it for the
Okay.
taste.
Right.
This is optional, totally
Okay.
optional. If you want, you can avoid it.
Yeah, but tasty. It's looking yummy.
And we'll now serve it with the sweet chutney,
Okay.
which is already ready. And I have a small cart here.
Wow, so cute. So this is the way of serving.
Yeah.
Yes. So mirchi vada cart is ready with twist, and twist is raw banana in it. So Sheetal's special Rajasthani mirchi vada with twist, ready to eat. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you, Sheetal.
Thank you.